Hello friends, welcome to EduTap. If you are a serious candidate who are preparing for the IBPS AFO examination, then this session is gonna really helpful to you. Please watch this session till end because in this session I am giving you the most significant approach to crack IBPS AFO examination. What should be the priority of the subjects and which are the most important topics that I am going to discuss with you in upcoming 5 to 10 minutes. Please watch this video till end to guarantee your selection as an agriculture field officer. Okay, if you see the examination structure, there are three stages of the examination. That's the prelims, mains, and interview phase. So preliminary examination is a qualifying in nature in which objective type questions over quant, reasoning, and English are being asked. There is a sectional time for QRE as well as sectional cutoff for QRE as well as total cutoff for the prelims. So with practice of quant reasoning and English, you can easily clear your prelims examination for IBPS AFO. But the most important examination from the recruitment cycle is your mains examination because the contribution of the score from your mains examination in a final cutoff is up to 80% and remaining 20% contribution of the aggregate in the final cutoff is from your interview. The score that you gain from the interview, it contributes up to 20% in your final cutoff. So higher the scores in your mains examination, that there will be the better chances of your selection as an agriculture field officer. Then what should be the approach and what should be the strategy for the preparation to get a high score in mains examination? So let's see. Before going to the details, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and also join our Telegram channel to access the PDF and the notes of the video lectures that we are providing on YouTube. And the link of Telegram channel is given into the description. Before going into the details of the approach, let me clear this the pattern of examination for agriculture field officer mains examination. There are total 60 questions from professional knowledge of worth 60 mark and the medium of exam is in English and Hindi and the duration of exam is 45 minutes. So as I told you earlier that the mains examination is the deciding factor because it contributes 80% in the final cutoff. Here you can see, and 20% of marks aggregation is from your interview score. So here category wise, the final cutoff of a previous year is given in this table. So there are three types of questions seen in the mains examination. They are from static, current affairs and data reports. Static is nothing but the core of IBPS AFO. It includes whole agriculture that you studied in your graduation, and current affairs is nothing but current affairs regarding specific with agriculture is being asked in the mains examination of IBPS AFO. And data here nothing but the values and figures from various data reports, annual reports, as well as there is a MSP data and other data regarding agriculture is being asked in the mains examination of IBPS AFO. So what should be the approach for the preparation? What should be the priority of the different subjects and different topics? So let's see. So based upon my personal insight and by analyzing the previous year question papers, I have made 4 categories on a priority basis of most important subjects and the most important topics. So first priority is given to the category 1 component, second priority is for the category 2, third priority is for the category 3 and fourth priority is for the components in the category 4. So category 1 and category 2 consist of most of the questions from your mains examination, and category 3 and category 4 will helps you to boost your confidence and to give a better edge in the scores than others. So what should be the which are the most important topics in a respective category in a respective subjects? Let me tell you in the more upcoming slides. So as I told you earlier that category 1 is at high priority. So let's see the major components included in the category 1 which are at the same level, and one by one we will see the components and the most important topics in a respective component. So let's see. First, agronomy. Every year 2 to 4 questions are framed from this agronomy section, and which are the most important topics in the agronomy here: the major field crops, cropping system and cropping pattern, tillage, weed management, agroclimatic and agrometeorological zones, agrometeorological phenomena and agrometeorological instruments, organic farming, soil and water conservation, irrigation management. These are the favorite zones from the agronomy. from where the questions are framed for the IBPS AFO mains mostly. Okay, so let's see the next component after agronomy is the horticulture. From horticulture also there are every year frequently 2 to 3 questions are asked in the IBPS AFO mains. So which are the major important topics from the horticulture, major horticulture crops and training and pruning. These are the most important topics from the horticulture. So let's move ahead to the next component of the category 1, that is agricultural engineering. It includes most important topics in agricultural engineering are tractor and power tiller and their details and the components, classification of heat engines, includes two-stroke engine, four-stroke engine and the combustion engine, implements for the various purposes and capacities of different agricultural equipments, protected cultivation, it includes greenhouse, polyhouse and their types. So these are the favorite areas of agricultural engineering from most of the questions are framed. Every year 2 to 4 questions are framed from this agricultural engineering section in IBPS AFO mains examination. So let's move ahead to the next component of category 1, soil science and agricultural chemistry. So every year at least 2 to 3 questions are framed from this section of soil science, which are the major important topics from the soil science. Then major soils of India, rocks and minerals and their classification, manures and fertilizers and their classification, and the constituents of the nutrients in the manure and fertilizer is important in a mains perspective of AFO. Okay, so let's see the next component in the category 1 after agronomy, horticulture, agricultural engineering and soil science. The next is seed technology. So from seed technology also there is at least 1 to 2 questions are come from this seed technology section in the mains examination. So which are the most important topics from seed technology? So it includes basic seed science, classes of seeds, seed dormancy and seed viability test, isolation distance, seed multiplication ratio and seed replacement ratio. The tabular form data of this is important in a mains perspective of AFO. Okay, so let's move ahead to the next component of category 1, that is Kurukshetra magazine. You have to refer last 6 months Kurukshetra magazine prior to your date of the examination. So this Kurukshetra magazine from last 6 months prior to your date of the examination, it has most of data of current affairs and data reports is covered. So that's how you can easily score good marks in IBPS AFO mains examination than other if you keep this Kurukshetra magazine along with these major components at the first priority in a category 1. Okay, so let's move ahead to the next category, which includes the sub major components in a category 2 at a second priority. If you are done with category 1, then move towards category 2. It includes sub major subjects for IBPS AFO mains preparation on second priority. In a category 2 there are various components, so let's see one by one which are these components. So first is the flagship schemes. So what is flagship? Flagships means the schemes which are implemented all over the India. Under that schemes, various schemes, small schemes are implemented and huge amount of fund allocated by the government for the flagship schemes. So which are these schemes? परंपरागत कृषि विकास योजना, प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना, प्रधानमंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना, सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड स्कीम, सब मिशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल मैकेनाइजेशन, नेशनल हॉर्टिकल्चरल मिशन. From these flagship schemes, frequently 2 to 3 questions are asked every year in the IBPS AFO mains examination. So let's see the next component in a category 2 after these flagship schemes. Next is the animal husbandry and the dairy science. So which are the most important topics? Different breeds and their special characters, floor space requirement, gestation period, lactation period, estrus cycle, animal breeding. So recently in phase 2 examination of the NABARD, the 15 marker compulsory descriptive question come from this animal breeding on cross breeding. So there might be a chances of questions come from the same session for IBPS AFO mains also. So next important topic is milk and milk product and their standard, common diseases in animals and related institute for animal husbandry and the dairy science. Okay, so these are the favorite zones from AHDS. So let's move towards the next component of category 2, fisheries and the aquaculture. Which are the major important topics? Different carps and their special characters, pond size requirement, basic morphological features and the growth stages of fishes, related institute and schemes regarding fisheries and aquaculture. Usually 2 to 3 questions frequently asked from this fisheries and aquaculture section. Okay, so let's move toward the next section of category 2 is the agricultural entomology and plant pathology. So from this portion, major pest and diseases, major for agronomic and horticulture crops are being asked most of the times, and spatial management practices to curb the resurgence of pest and diseases. Okay, so usually 2 to 3 questions indirectly asked from this portion, okay, of agricultural entomology and plant pathology. Okay, let's see the next component of category 2 is the sericulture and the apiculture. So the types of silk and silkworm in sericulture and types of honey and honeybee in the apiculture usually asked in the examination. The scientific names of silkworm and the honeybees and the different diseases of pest and diseases that will affect the population of silkworm as well as the colony population of the honeybees that are asked in the examination. Next, the related schemes and the institute regarding honeybee and the silkworm is important in examination perspective of AFO mains. So these are the all the components of category 2. All the components in the category 2 are at the same level. Okay, so let's see on a third priority which components are included in the category 3. Okay, if you are done with category 1 and category 2, then move towards the category 3 because this category 3 gives you a better edge to score good marks in the mains examination than others. So let's see which are the components on third priority basis included in the category 3. So first component is the agricultural extension. So directly questions are not being asked from the agriculture extension, but indirectly questions are framed over the major important topics from the agriculture extension. Which are these topics? Basic principles and philosophy of extension, extension models and the teaching methods, pre and post independence extension programs. Okay, so let's see the next component of category 3, that is agricultural economics. Huh. Again, the questions are not being directly asked from agricultural economics, but they are indirectly linked with the major important topics from the agricultural economics. So which are these major important topics from agricultural economics for IBPS AFO mains perspective? Which are these? Farm management, basic production relationship, market and its classification. Okay, so let's see the next component of category 3, that is NABARD, RRB and PIB website. So you have to refer these websites for better understanding and the betterment of your preparation to score good marks in your exam. So introduction of NABARD and RRB, the foundation of NABARD and RRB, annual report of NABARD RRB, important in examination perspective. Next, the NABARD model bankable projects. Okay, you will get these model bankable projects in a financial reports section over the NABARD website. So focus should be on applied topics in a model bankable project. What it means, the projects which are actually implemented by most of the farmers are get benefit from these projects. So these projects are very much important in an examination perspective for IBPS AFO mains examination. Okay, so which are these projects? Mostly the farm mechanization projects, protection agriculture, water resources, fisheries and post harvest storage. Okay, so from this usually the 2 to 3 questions there might be a chances of asking for the IBPS AFO mains examination. Okay, so let's move to the next category, next component of third category. Okay, so here the others includes the agri budget, agri census, livestock census, annual report of Ministry of Agriculture, annual reports by Ministry of Rural Development and annual reports by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. From this you will the most of the times the data is being asked from these reports. Okay, so you have to having the focus over these annual reports by the various ministries and census data. Okay, so let's move towards the category 4 and the components in the category 4 on fourth priority basis for the IBPS AFO mains preparation. If you are done with category 1, 2 and 3, then go towards the category 4 components, and if time will not permit you, then you can skip these category 4 components. but these category 4 components are benefiting you for to boost your additional confidence to score good marks if you are done with our previous all three categories. Okay, so let's see the category 4 components one by one. First is ICR website. You have to refer this ICR website, news flash, research institute by ICR, journals, magazines and publications by ICR, important varieties and ICR hybrids by the ICR if of important traits. Next component of category 4 is APEDA website, that is Agricultural Processed Food Export Development Authority, that provides export and import data. Next component in category 4 is Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare website, that provides area production and productivity data of major crops and agronomic and horticultural crops, that also provides the MSP data for Kharif and Rabi crops. MSP means minimum support price, that is announced by the central government, mainly the cabinet, and that is recommended by CACP, means Commission of Agricultural Cost and Prices, that recommends the data, the MSP data to the cabinet, and cabinet announces the MSP. Okay, so next component in category 4 is the National Bureau of Soil Science and Land Use Planning website, that gives you data over soil. Okay, mainly the problematic soils, that is the acidic soil, alkaline soil and saline soil data, and their area all over the India, and the area of different types of soil types and their structure all over the India. All the information regarding the soil is provided by this National Bureau of Soil Science and Land Use Planning website. So this is the category 4. On a priority basis, you have to prepare for all the components in the category 4 to score a good marks in IBPS AFO mains examination. Okay, that's for all guys. If you have doubt regarding this approach, please let me know in the comment section, and thanks for giving me your precious time. Stay connected, stay healthy. Thank you so much.